morning. New at 5 tonight, a study looking at the impact of gun violence says young men living in Chicago's most violent neighborhoods faced more risk of dying from a shooting than soldiers at war.
WGN's Jewel Hillary breaks down that research.
Hi, good evening, Lourdes and Ray. So the researchers behind this study say it would be safer for young men in certain Chicago communities to go to war zones in Iraq and Afghanistan versus the neighborhoods they live in.
We definitely keep our ears to the ground.
Napoleon English, the outreach supervisor for Lawndale Christian Legal Center, is dedicated to reducing violence in Lawndale and surrounding neighborhoods.
If anybody needs some help or need us to mediate, they come and talk to us.
Napoleon, who has a passion to help resolve conflict, knows firsthand what a life of violence can reap. When he was 19,
So I was shot in the arms, bullet come out, accident in my back.
that was more than 35 years ago. But as we know all too well, the violence he experienced decades ago continues to plague parts of Chicago.
So in terms of the neighborhood in Chicago with the most violence or the highest rate of violence, that's Garfield Park.
In this recent Journal of the American Medical Association study, Professor Brandon Del Pozo and colleagues wanted to determine if some neighborhoods in Chicago were comparable to war zones.
So we found that among military-age males, 18 to 29, that there were a few zip codes in Chicago that were not just almost as risky as war, but that were much more risky than fighting in Iraq, fighting in Afghanistan, or even serving in a very heavily engaged combat brigade.
The study compares the violence in some neighborhoods to a natural disaster that overwhelmingly impacts African American men.
If we care about equity, we have to understand that this is a huge inequity as well.
Del Pozo hopes his research prompts leaders on all levels to take action, providing a multi-layer level of care and support resources for communities suffering the most. Back in Lawndale, Napoleon says funds for more mental health support for anyone impacted by gun violence is much needed. In the meantime, he says he'll keep working with young people, encouraging them away from a life in the streets.
If you can redirect or help them to redirect the way they think, you might be on something.
This research study also looked at communities in Philadelphia, New York City, and Los Angeles. Reporting on the West Side, I'm Jewel Hillary, WGN News.